Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make stir fry preserved egg with crispy basil, or in Thai we call ไข่เยี่ยวม้ากระเพรากรอบ Preserved egg is very popular in Thailand and also in China. If you like this egg, you have to try this menu. And here is the basil and also the preserved egg. This one will come with this package. First, prepare the pot by add the vegetable oil or frying oil in the pot, and then add the preserved egg to be the fry until it's golden and crispy. And for this recipe, if you don't like to use the preserved egg, you can use the boiled egg too, or also the fried egg. And now is the egg is turned to golden and crispy, remove and drain it. In the same pot, after frying eggs, we need to add the basil leaves and fry until it's crispy, and then remove and drain it. And cut egg to be the half, or you can cut to be the little piece. It's up to you. The next step, we're gonna be cook the stir fry with the crispy basil. Start with the add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the pan, and then add the garlic and the chili, and then stir fry until you get aroma. And after that, you will need to add the pork into the pan. For the ingredients, I will put in the description box below. And stir fry until the pork is nearly cooked, and also add 2 or 3 tablespoons of water to make it more moisture. Seasoning with the oyster sauce 2 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon of the fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of the seasoning soy sauce, and a bit of sugar. And add black soy sauce a little bit to make it a very nice color. And finally add the basil leaf and stir until all ingredients is mixed well and pork is done, and then remove from the heat. Then we gonna put the stir fry pork with the basil over the fried black preserved egg. Finally sprinkle with the fried crispy basil leaf and also the red chili to make it nice color. And then serve immediately with the hot steamed rice. So this recipe is preserved egg will be deep fried until crispy outside and then stir fry with the minced pork, same as traditional Pad Ka Prao. Finally top with the crispy basil. It's very simple menu and easy to cook. I hope you give this try for this recipe. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. And see you next time for next recipe.